सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू योर वन एंड ओनली केमिस्ट्री। In previous video we have completed just all the concentration units, just as a you can say your mass percentage, volume percentage, mass volume percentage, molarity, normality, molality, formality, just mole fraction and ppm and ppb. Now I would like to go with the just, that is a very important, a lot of question regarding to these concentration unit. As I promise you कि हम लोग पर्टिकुलर इन कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट के रिगार्डिंग काफी कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे। आज उसी बात को आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू गो विद द जस्ट न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ द कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट्स। दीज आर द न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट्स। इजियर से स्टार्ट करेंगे, टिपिकल तक चलेंगे हम लोग। दिस इज द टॉपिक। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर 20 gram sugar dissolved in 20 gram sugar dissolved in 80 gram water. 80 gram water. Calculate mass percentage of sugar. This is the question and this is the solution. Here is the water. Water is act as a solvent. So first of all you have to define which is the solution, which of the is solvent. Water is the solvent. So here will the use of formula small w by capital W. Mass percentage is equals to mass of solute, that is the 20 upon mass of solute plus mass of solvent. This will be your 100. So 20 divided by 100 into 100, it will be your 20%, you can say, by mass. The right answer. This was the first question. If I would like to go with the second question, then the second question is your 15 gram. This is the 15 gram is your NaCl. NaCl dissolved in you can say 150 gram water. Again 150 gram water. Again here is the water. Water is a solvent. So calculate the mass percentage of NaCl. Calculate mass percentage of NaCl. It's again easy. So this is the solution. This is the mass percentage. We are going to take just mass of solute as a 15 gram. Mass of solute, this is the 15 plus 150 gram as a water, so it will be as a solvent. So 150 into 100. This will be your 15 upon 165 into 100. It will be cancelled by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. This is the 5 2s are 10, 20, and the rest is your 3 times. It will be cancelled 11 from 3. And it is your 3 5s are 15, so it will be 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and it will be 100 upon 11. So percentage will be 11 9s are, you can say, 99, and the rest it will be 1. So decimal, again it will be 0. So on dividing, what will be here is the 100, and dividing just from the 11, it will be your 9 times 99, remaining 1, decimal carry 0 0, so it will be again 9. So percentage will be 9.09 as a percentage. So we will take here 9.909% by mass, small w by capital W. This was about the second question, 9.09. Now I would like to go with the next third question. The third question is your, you can say, 5.5 gram oxalic acid. This is the 5.5 gram oxalic acid is dissolved in just 250 ml. 250 ml your solution. If density of of solution is, you can say, 1.1 gram 1.1 gram per ml. This is the 1.1 gram per ml. Calculate mass percentage of oxalic acid. Calculate mass percentage of oxalic acid. This is the oxalic acid. First of all, it is required to know the formula of oxalic acid. So this is the solution. Formula for the oxalic acid is your COOH, and this is the COOH. It will be in crystalline form, so 2 of S2. You can write it as 2C2O4, and this is the 2 of S2. This is the formula for the oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Now the time to discuss about the question. Question is given. First of all, we'll go with the just. We have to calculate the mass of solution, or yeah, just you can say mass of solvent. It is required. So what we can say that, as we know that density D is equals to that is your M upon V. Here is volume is given, that is the 250 ml. Density is given, that is the 1.1 ml. So mass of this will be as a capital W we can take. So mass of solvent. If we go with the mass of solvent, then it can be calculated by the W is equals to V cross D. So W is equals to value of V, volume is your 250 ml. This is the density is your 1.1. On multiplying it will be 0. Ln 5 is 55. This is the 22 and 5 7 27, and decimal will be over here. So this will be 275 as a gram. This is the just mass of you can say solvent. If we go with the further, then what is the right answer? Here's the, we are taking just 5%, 5 grams. So here will small w by capital W, mass percentage is equals to mass of solute 5.5. This is the total mass of solution. This is the mass of solution. So it will be your 275 into your 100. Now the time to discuss about the solution. On removal decimal, here will use of 10. This remains cancelled. And on dividing by the just 5, what will be? Here will be 11. Here will be 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. And this is the again your 10. This will be your 5 time cancel, and this will remain cancelled by the 2. If we'll go with the right answer is your 2% by mass is the right answer for the question. This was about the first question, second question, and third question. Enjoy these questions. We will take another slide also. Now the time to discuss about the third question. After the third question, we'll take just fourth question. So be with me. I'll take a lot of question and a lot of formula regarding to the conversion of different concentration unit. So question number 4 is your, you can say, this is the fourth question, and question is your 20 ml ethanol. 20 ml ethanol dissolved in just you can say 160 ml water. This is the 160 ml water. Again, this is the solvent. Calculate volume percentage of ethanol. This is the volume percentage of ethanol. First of all, we'll go with the formula. This is the solution. We'll take the formula volume of just solute upon volume of solution. So here is the water as a solvent. So it will be as a 20 volume of solute This is the 20 volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Solvent is your 160 into your 100. This will be your 20 upon 180 multiplied by 100 remains cancel. This will be your 2 time cancel. So it will be 10, it will be 9. 100 upon 9 is the exact. So this is the 9 1 ja 9. It will be 9 1 ja 9. Rest it will be 1 percentage by volume, by volume, small v by capital V, small v by capital V. This was about the question number 4th. Now I would like to go with the next question, that is your 20 gram sugar. Fifth question. 20 gram sugar dissolved in 250 ml. 250 ml. This is the solution. Calculate mass volume percentage. Calculate mass volume percentage of sugar. It's not typical job. It's very simple. This is the solution and this is the mass volume percentage. This is the mass of solute is your 20 gram and volume of the solution is your 250. This is multiplied by the just 100. So it remains 0 cancel 4 times and this will be your 8% by mass volume percentage. Mass volume percentage as a 8%. So this was about the question number 5. Now I would like to go with the question number 6. Question number 6 is your, you can say, this is the question number 6. Question number 6 is your 10 gram urea. This is the 6th question. 10 gram urea. This is the most important. 10 gram urea dissolved in 500 ml. This is the solution. This is the solution. Calculate. This is the mass volume percentage of solution. Mass volume percentage of solution. It's not typical job, as I told you. This is the solution. First of all, I would like to go with the just urea. And you have to know about the structure of urea. This is the NH2CONH2. This is the most important. This is the first lab preparatory compound, organic compound, you can say. सबसे पहले लैब में बनाया गया ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है ये, जिसका फॉर्मेशन किया गया था ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. It was formed by the Waller synthesis. And one of the important thing is excretory compound. It is excretory compound of, you can say, human. हमारे थ्रू ये पर्टिकुलर एक्सक्रीशन के फॉर्म में, मीन्स यूरिन की फॉर्म में इसको लूज किया जाता है. वी कैन से एट a time 2 to 3 gram. At a time we will lose it, excrete it 2 to 3 gram, and in whole day it is excreted by us as a 20 to 30 gram. This is the most important thing as a box metal. Now I would like to go with a question. If I'll go with the just molar mass, then molar mass is your 14 to the 28, and for just it is your, for the nitrogen is your 28, for the hydrogen it will be 4, 2 and 2 4, for the carbon it will be 12, and for the oxygen it will be 16. So 6 and 2 8, 14, just 12 and 8 20, and this will be your 60 as a molar mass. So 60 unit will be as a molar mass of the urea. but it's need not. But you have to learn about these three important things. First is smaller mass. Second, it is first lab preparatory organic compound made up of this organics by Waller synthesis. And at a time we can excrete just 2 to 3 gram, and in whole day 20 to 30 gram. That's why we all are known as ureotelic animals. हम यूरिया को पर्टिकुलर एक्सक्रीट करते हैं. So now the time to discuss about the question regarding to this. This is the mass percentage, mass volume percentage. So this is the mass upon volume percentage. Mass of solute is your 10 gram. This is the volume of the solution is your 500 ml divided by 100. This remains cancelled. It will again your 2% by mass volume percentage. This was about the just question number 6 as a 2% by mass volume percentage. Now I would like to go with the just next question. Question number 7 is your how much gram of NaCl will require to form 2% by mass volume as 400 ml solution, as 400 ml solution. This is the most important question. So if we'll go with the solution, this is the solution NaCl. This is the mass volume percentage is equals to mass of solute. Mass of solute here is just we can say we have to find out. So this is the small w. Volume of solution is given. What is that? That is the just 400 ml, and this is the multiplied by 100. So mass volume percentage is given. That is the 2. So we can take 2 upon 1. On multiplying, what will be? It will be just your, you can say, multiplying, cross multiply kare, then it will be just your w into 100 is equals to 2 into 400, and w is equals to, it will be your 2 into 400. This is the 400 upon 100. Just it will cancel by 4. So it will be 8 gram NaCl will require to form 2% as a 400 ml solution. So this was about the question number 7. Just wait, because entire part is not visible. So yes, now it's visible. Everything is okay. You can see 8 gram of NaCl is required. So now the time to discuss about the further 8 question, because of you can see the solution by pausing the video. वीडियो को पॉज करके आप इसका सॉल्यूशन देख सकते हैं. It will be convenient for you. And if anybody got any problem regarding to this numerical, then you can send me by taking the picture or screenshot. I'll explain through the WhatsApp also. Don't get panic regarding to your chemistry, because of I am always with you. Remember one thing, मेरी पहचान आपके बिना नहीं है. So now the time to discuss about the next 8 question. What is that? This is the 8th question. Question is your, in per kg sea water, in per kg sea water, you can say marine water also. This is the marine water. You can say salty water, which we can get from the sea. Just in per kg sea water, 5.8 into 10 is power minus 3 gram This is the, or just you can say, oxygen is oxygen is dissolved. Calculate concentration of oxygen in ppm. Calculate concentration of oxygen in ppm, parts per million में आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. इट्स नॉट बिग डील, जस्ट ppm के लिए आपने फॉर्मूला यूज किया है. दिस इज द solute mass of solute in gram upon mass of solution in gram and multiplied by the ppm 10 is power 6 parts per million. 10 is power 6 means 10 lakh molecules. Now here is the just mass per, this is the ppm solution. ppm parts per million is equals to, so if we'll go with the ppm, what is the amount is given, that is your 5.8. so this is the 5.8 into 10 is power minus 3 per kg, so we'll divide it by the 10 is power 3 1000 gram, and further it will multiply by the 10 is power 6, so this remains cancelled and it will be 5.8 into 10 is power 6. So could I say this is the ppm, so 5.8 ppm will be the concentration of dioxygen in ppm. 5.8. It's very simple question. Now I would like to go with the ninth question. What is that? That is your, in 500 gram toothpaste, in 500 gram toothpaste, just fluoride is 0.2 gram. Fluoride is 0.2 gram. Calculate just concentration of fluoride. Calculate concentration of fluoride in ppm, पार्ट्स पर मिलियन में आपको फिर से कैलकुलेट करना है. क्वेश्चन इज टू इजी. 500 ग्राम टूथपेस्ट है जिसमें पर्टिकुलर 0.2 ग्राम आपके पास में फ्लोराइड प्रेजेंट है और उसका आपको ppm में कंसंट्रेशन कैलकुलेट करना है. इट्स टू सिंपल. दिस इज द ppm, so you can say mass of solute in gram. This is the mass of solution in gram, and this is the 10 is power 6. Mass of solute is given, that is the 0.2 gram. This is the 500 and this is the 10 is power 6. Now the just you can say calculation is too easy, and calculation is what is that? Here will on removal just decimal, it will be 2 upon 5000 because we'll keep one of the 0 also. This is the 10 is power 6. So what will be? We can write it 2 into 2 upon 5 into 10 is power 3, and this is 10 is power 6 also. So now your calculation part is too easy. What will be the exact answer? You can see this remains cancelled. Here will be 10 is power 3, and here is your 2 into 10 is power 3. So it will be, you can say 2000 upon 5. You can say 5 4s are 20. This is the 400 gram will be just as a p in ppm. 400 ppm will be the just concentration. 400 ppm. This is the right answer. Now I would like to go with the just 10th question, that is very important. What is that? This is the 10th question. Question number 10 is your, in a reaction N2 plus thrice of S2, this is the 2 of NH3. This is the Haber process. This is the Haber process of ammonia. The mole fraction of N2 and NS3. Mole fraction of N2 and NS3 are, both are, just you can say N2 and NS3 0.2 and 0.5. 0.2 and 0.5. So calculate the mole fraction of S2. Calculate mole fraction of S2. So what will be the solution? It's too easy. As we know that just for a mixture, mole fraction of N2 plus mole fraction of H2 plus mole fraction of NS3. This is the X of NS3 is equals to 1. Value is given. Mole fraction of N2 is your 0.2. This is the H2 के लिए आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. So this is the X of H2. Value of NS3 is your 0.5. This is the 0.5 is equals to 1. So this is the X of H2 plus this is the 0.7 is equals to 1. So X of H2 will be your 1 minus 0.7. It will be 0.3 for the just H2 as a mole fraction of the S2. This was about the question number 10. So dear student, we'll take another just video regarding to the question and just maybe another third video also regarding to the question, because of, as I promise you, I'll take a lot of question for you. And further we'll go with the just solubility of the different substance. टिल देन जस्ट यही आप अपना प्यार देते रहिए, सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, शेयर करते रहिए, ताकि उन बच्चों तक भी पहुंच सके जो हमारी पहुंच से दूर है. आपको और क्या रिक्वायर है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स के थ्रू कमेंट करना ना भूलें. व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू आप अपना प्रॉब्लम मुझसे शेयर कर सकते हैं. इन 10 क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपको. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करूंगा उनके एक सॉल्यूशन के साथ में. इन सॉल्यूशन की आप प्रैक्टिस करें. प्रैक्टिस पेपर पेन वर्क इज रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री इज नॉट अ टिपिकल जॉब. If you don't have paper pen practice, then it will be just mistake by you. So till then, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद.